always get hot when I'm cooking potatoes. Cooking potatoes. Cooking potatoes.
Why do you lie to me and tell me that you love me when you're out just to take my life? And tell me that you'll show me the way to heaven. You'll never be lonely as long as you just hold me. It's hard to believe we love each other when all we do is cry. Why is the light so bright on the other side? Hard to believe we love each other.
How am I supposed to hold it up?
Oh, that's cheating, Mr. Football Man. Big Football Man. That's your nickname, Big Football Man?
So bright on the other side. Why do you lie to me and tell me that you love me when you're out just to take my life? Tell me that you'll show me the way to heaven. You'll never be lonely as long as you hold me.
Right, 3.
Yep. All right. Set that aside.
That's the top.
Nope.
You like this, Jay?
Okay. So, if you flip that open part down on the bottom. Yep. Flip that to the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
All right. The two that go off to the sides, you need to put a number 3 in them.
1, 2.
Yep. In those.
And not this one?
Not that one.
Number what?
3.
Just jam down Villa House in Jamaica. Man of the rich, the land of the sun, all the vibes in Jamaica. Richie, you know, say, me have the touchdown in a jam down Villa House in Jamaica.
Like that cologne Obsession, remember that?
Oh yeah, I used to wear it like all the time.
Yeah? You know about Obsession, the cologne? Did Alex answer?
I just tried to call you.
That's my seatbelt.
You home? You better get here. I'm at your house. Yeah.
Alright, get out, Ryan. Let Jason out so he can
Bye.
switch.
Oh, slow down.
Isabel. Isabel.
I'm sitting here editing one right now.
Wait, hold on. What are you doing? No, man.
No!
I have to wait for Alex. Alex! Alex! Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Donut. What?
Alright, you wanna go back?
Yeah.
Jay, you wanna come with us, film this stuff? We found a sword, we're gonna be throwing it at some trees. Target practice.
Wait, my Xbox.
No way.
You gotta come check it out, dude, it's awesome.
That pine's where that wood is. It's right over there by it. Yeah, it's right over there by it. But wait, is it? No, it's right over there by that. And what's gonna happen when it starts burning up, it's all gonna collapse in on each other, and it'll be a big bowl of hot ass coals at the bottom, burning like hell. Got a good one going. Straight fire whispering, fire sniffling whisper.
Yep.
Deep within, and desperately.
Mm-hmm.